Hi. So, everybody is aware about the issue between uh, Maharashtra government or the Municipal Corporation of Bombay and Kangana Ranaut, and the issue is in the court. So, I should not comment as the officer of the court. I must not comment anything about the case because it is sub judice. But I can express my opinion about the background of the case. What may happen against the BMC or Kangana? So, first of all, we must understand that if the government is trying to take any action against a citizen, let us forget that Kangana is a star and etc. All other tags that are associated to the star, because it became a great case of news because Kangana is the center of attraction. Now, if we apply common sense to this entire issue, we can understand that the municipal corporation may have a case because it is general or common knowledge that it is impossible to construct a building, or almost impossible, rhetorically speaking, almost impossible to construct a building in accordance with the permission granted by municipalities or the municipal corporations anywhere in India. The law is so rigid, the construction law in India is so rigid. Without violation or without alteration, it cannot be constructed. A building cannot be constructed. In my state of Telangana, 10% deviation is permissible under law. So imagine the scope of deviation or a permitted deviation by the government itself, which created the law, which means that it is impossible to construct a building in accordance with law. Now, if we analyze carefully about the action that is taken by the Municipal Corporation of Bombay, I suspect they are correct in their action. There could be a deviation. On the non-technical side or the substantial side, they could be correct. But on the technical side, they are wrong. That is, the speed at which they took action is wrong. That is a mistake that was made by the Maharashtra government, in addition to unnecessarily making Kangana a hero of the entire issue. Instead of ignoring the comments made by Kangana, the Bombay Municipal Corporation took a hasty action, which is why courts are questioning the Bombay Municipal Corporation whether the same action is taken against other citizens also. No. Corporations will not take actions against other citizens whosoever are obedient to them. It's common knowledge. Now, the corporation's action could be correct. The speed at which the action was taken was wrong. So therefore, courts will separate water from the milk or milk solids from the milk. Rhetorically speaking, analogically speaking, that is the purpose of the courts. That is the wisdom of the courts. They will separate the milk solids from the milk or the water from the milk. That is what courts do. So here, courts will balance. Whoever wins, they will win it like this. Courts will balance the case in the larger public interest. Whether BMC will win or Kangana will win, my opinion will be nobody will win, because courts will balance in such a way that the action of the BMC will be proved to be correct, but the speed at which they took action will be decided as wrong. Kangana may question about the speed at which the action was taken. The opportunity, lack of opportunity may be questioned, but illegality or the substantial aspect of the deviation in the construction will have to be proved by evidence, so that a writ petition cannot be decided. Therefore, courts will only decide the legal point, which is to say the speed at which the action was taken. The technical side, the technical part of the BMC's action will be questioned, will be decided by the Bombay High Court. Anyhow, let us wait for the decision. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, kindly comment.